This brand is a part of Rheem Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group. The units are made in Mexico and sold in the USA through various online stores. The ZoneAire units have an intake as well as an exhaust hose to improve efficiency and provide quicker cooling of the room. The units are available in either cool-only or heat pumps and are Wi-Fi enabled and work with voice commands from Alexa or Google Assistant. They have a 3-speed fan with swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room and use self-evaporating technology to minimize the need to empty a condensate bucket. The units use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and are backed by a pretty good warranty. The ZoneAire Compact units are for cooling only, and their snap and store exhaust hose storage is very convenient as it allows you to quickly store the hose with the unit when it is not in use. They use only a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.